Getting started is simple. Just click Start New Process Checks. The tool has 5 steps. The Welcome step provides a quick overview of the framework and the report that you can generate. The Getting Started step explains how to complete the checklist. You'll need to describe your AI application in the dialog screen. Tooltips guide you through each field with ease. For each process check, simply choose Yes, No, or Not Applicable and add elaboration to explain your choice. The colored label shows how this process maps to other international frameworks. Prefer working offline? Export your progress to Excel and complete it at your own pace. You can import the Excel file back. The tool fills in your responses automatically. If you have used Project Moonshot to do technical tests, upload your JSON file here so that it can be included in the summary report, or skip this step to continue. You're now at the final step. Generate a concise summary report and preview it before saving or sharing. The tool runs entirely in your environment, safeguarding your sensitive data. By sharing your report, you can demonstrate your commitment to responsible AI, build trust with stakeholders, and stay aligned with evolving regulations. Whether you're an AI developer, a compliance team member, or an external auditor, AI Verify Testing Framework makes your life easier. Start using the enhanced AI Verify Testing Framework today to build trust in your AI systems.